Hello friends, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best audio out of OBS Studio. So let's get started with this video. So before the video starts, I will just tell you which mic I'm currently using and recording. I'm using a cheapo mic, as in it's not even a proper mic. It's not a dedicated mic. Just look at it. This is the mic that I'm using. So just imagine like which mic am I using? I'm using my old webcam's mic to record. So I'm going to show you what all settings I've been using. I've been testing this out and I've got great results. So before this video starts, I'll tell you what all to download. So this is a Equalizer plugin. Basically, this is a Equalizer plugin. Just install it, and then it is a very basic install. Just download. Here's the download button. Just install it. Next, and finish. Just install it, and then you will get this interface into your OBS Studio. So I'll show you how to use it very quickly. So first I'll walk you through to all the settings, how to get the best audio. So first we'll go to settings here, the right hand side bottom. So in output, in audio actually, so here you just need to select the mic that you're going to use, and most of the other settings are just as it is. As you can see, I have not made any major settings or any changes, nothing. So secondly, I would like you to know is that try to use a USB mic. A USB mic is always better. Actually, I have the Realtek audio on my system. Wait, I'll just show you. So here you can see that the system sound settings are here. So in recording section, you can see that which mics have been used. So as you can see in the Realtek audio is not picking up much sound. I have to like literally like I have to connect a mic there, and here you can get an idea of how the levels are. So here you can see I have the C922 Pro stream camera that is being what is recording this my face actually, and here I have the C 170. Actually the C7 170 is near my mouth, so that's the reason you can see how the audio level is like properly increasing right up till the top. So make sure that your audio is increasing right up till the top, so you'll get a better result. That is the first thing to check. In case you're not finding the proper like result here, what I would suggest is try to keep the mic near your mouth, at least somewhere near it, like at least 10 to 15 centimeters nearby. What you can do next is properties, and here in under level there is a actually sometimes there is a volume boost, so you can use that microphone boost thing. Generally there is sometimes, but now it's not. I don't know whether it is being used by OBS, that's the reason. But generally if you see the other ones, maybe it should be there. Here there was a volume push button actually. I don't know, now it's not showing up, but in your computer it might show up. So anyways, now that is done. Now under OBS I've showed you like you have select the mic currently like under audio, and leave most of the other settings as it is. Don't change anything. I have not changed anything. This is like 44.1 hertz the sampling rate, so I'm fine. Actually all that is fine. Next thing is you need to see the audio. You have to make sure that actually it is not like peaking too much, as in like it can come up to the red one. Here you can see it should come like maybe up to the red. Actually ideally it should come up to the yellow bar, but I like my sound nice and loud. And actually the thing is that you'll have to tweak this setting. There's this knob here, so you can adjust the sound. You should like mostly try to get it to the yellow bar. So the next thing you need to do is you need to add filters onto the mic. So click this gear icon, then click on filters. I'll show you what all filters I've been using. So I've been using the noise suppression. Noise suppression is used so that any background sound is like reduced. So if you increase it to -60, more background sound will be reduced. Make sure that you're not cutting your own voice using the noise suppression. So see what is the ideal level for you. Then there is this expander that I've been used. I've just kept the settings as default because I didn't want to mess around much. I know if I change the settings, it might not sound good. So I'll show you the audio without all these settings, and with these settings, maybe you'll get an idea. So compressor is like an envelope for the sound. It won't let your sound go higher, and it is a thing that will avoid peaking in your sound. So that is a great thing. So the last thing, first, I was talking about that equalizer thing. So here's it. So what I've done is I've boosted the bass. As you can see here, the bass has been boosted. I've turned all the knobs on top of the bass, and only the vocal sounds have been increased a bit. As you can see, you can change your equalizer settings as per this in case you want the audio like mine, or you can tweak it according to yours, but I would recommend it to be like something similar to this. So I'll show you without and with the EQ how it sounds. You get a better picture. Now it is without the EQ on real time, I suppose. So here there's a toggle switch. Tell me how it is sounding without the EQ. Now it is sounding, the whatever you're hearing is with the EQ. Sorry, I'm making mistakes while talking, maybe like in grammatical wise and all. But anyways, that is what I'm saying. Now it's with the EQ, and now you can hear the difference. So actually, I'm not changing the compressor because it will really create a volume difference actually. So I'll show you with the expander. There is like a nice echo or something. I'm not exactly sure how to describe, but this expander is an amazing thing. So just turn it off and see how it sounds. Now the expander is off, as you can see. I'll turn it on again once again after 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now it's on 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So noise suppression won't make a big difference if you don't have any external noise, but actually it makes a difference in reducing the background sound when you're quiet. So the main difference I suppose should be this. I can't hear my audio at the moment. I'm recording the screen. Once I see the final output of this, I would come to know. So I'll be recording and uploading this raw clip that has been recorded by OBS right now. I will show you. So this EQ is an amazing thing. Just install this plugin. This is like a game changer. I can't believe I'm using my old webcam as a mic. Actually, the thing is that I placed it on my steering wheel. So this is the steering wheel I use for gameplay. So that's amazing, right? I mean, really amazing. So just let me know what you think about this in the comment section. It is a very simple download and install. Make a note of this website once again, where you can download this VST plugin. It is totally free. Really amazing stuff, man. I'm really happy to make this video. I hope that this video is informative for you. If it was informative, do give it a thumbs up. Share this video with all your friends who need help. Okay, I will see you in the next video. I hope that you subscribe. Stay tuned, bros. Take care. Peace out.